Okay, I started another go-kart project. This time I'm using, they call it a studded T-post. You can see the studs there, and there you can see the T. It's used for fencing, like on farms and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, that would be the motor mount. And the reason I'm doing this T-post right now is a 6-foot section is only like $6, so that's like $1 a foot, probably the cheapest way to make a go-kart right now. And at least it's something different. So I thought I would give it a try. Let's see. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how I want to do this front bumper yet. Not sure exactly how I want to do the front axle. I'm just getting started on this, so this is where I'm at, but I thought I'd try and do a video on it anyway. More to come, of course. I'm just getting started, but just want to show where I'm at right now. And thanks for watching.